Why are we here? We're spying. I have to follow. Now if you excuse me, I got villains to fight. I don't get it. Oh boy. He is so stupid. What do you mean? Okay, is it on? Oh yeah. Hello Racer fans! Welcome to the new episode of Season 2 Woody Woodpecker Racing. And today we're in Mississippi and have to race against our favorite lazy bones, Clarence. And hey, why are you upside down? I'm humming. You're so stupid, Andre. So what do you say? Let's get back to the show, shall we? Okay, dude. Remember the card extensions. Death Punchy's powers and Rock Paper Scissors powers. Okay, can we just race started now? Hey Agnes, what happened to your car? It broke down, but I bought a new one, but maybe it'll come back someday. Hey, has anyone seen Orange? Huh? Sorry, I was late. I was on my coffee break. Mustachio? Yes, exactly. I can't wait to beat the Woodpecker. I would like to see you try. Okay, Sammy. Wait, will not win until it starts. But until this race starts, now we can cheat against the Woodpecker. Yes. Sammy? Yes. Luicus. Hey, Woodpecker, good luck on the race. Thank you, Beth. So, Monsieur, why are we going in your cart? Shut up, Tony Fresh, but that is an order. But Captain D has to change some plans because he has to hunt down the spies. Why, Lucius? Because he already knows the spies, they were there. And he tries to stop him. Ha! I knew they were there. Okay, pirates, go stop them and sabotage them and hunt down the spies. Why? Because we're gonna have to change some plans. Gotcha. Okay, racer fans, enough wasting time and let's get the show started. What now? Oh yeah, ready, get set, go! We go! Let's race. Mustachio! The race has finally started. Yeah. Why you just keep coming? Be quiet, you're losing my focus. Oh, sorry. Now let's get back to the show, shall we, folks? Rats! You curses you. That's something to protect. This will sabotage him. Hup! Huh? What's this? Okay, now's our chance. Now, rep. Huh? What? Oh well, it's nothing. Well, just like that's all we need. Who's that? That's Lucius Heinous Evans. He's the criminal. What? You mean that he was trying to cheat? Yes, he was trying to kill the Woodpecker. Who's the Woodpecker? Okay, just let Prime hunt down and let's get on to the business show. Okay, you were saying huh? We're here now. Ha ha ha. Bring on. Let you ask for it. I gotta find it. Sorry. Sorry, it's sorry, my fault. And Hey, wait a minute!
Let's see. Oh. Come on, go. I'm on my way. Come on, Steven, we gotta help Woody. Gotcha.
No, repair to me. Hi. Oh, how do you like some of this? Now, Captain D, prepare to meet your doom. Say goodnight, stupid pirate. Uh-oh. No! Oh, not over here, don't it? Whoa! Did you see that, Beth? See what? Lindsay? What the? No! I guess I have to stop for the broadcasting for now, folks. Ugh.